We're going to solve the system of linear equations, in this case using the method of elimination. So our first step in the method of elimination is to make sure they are in the required format. So we're going to change equation number 1 to be x minus y is equal to 3, and I'm going to call that equation 3. And then equation 2 is already in the required format. Now our next step in the process of elimination is to see if there's anywhere that we can add these together to eliminate a variable. And in this case, what I've decided to do, and there are other ways to do this, this is the way that I decided to go with. I'm going to multiply equation 3 by -1, and then I'm going to add it to equation 2. So if I multiply equation 3 by -1, I'm going to get negative x plus y equal to -3. And then I'm going to add it to 2, so that would be x minus 2y is equal to 5. I'm going to add those equations together. What will happen is when I add negative x and x, they cross each other out and will leave us with a negative y is equal to 2. And which means if I solve for y, it's equal to -2. Now in my third step, I'm going to substitute the y is equal to -2 into my original equation. So I'm going to sub y is equal to -2 into my equation number 1, and I'm going to solve for x. X is equal to -2 plus 3, which means x is equal to 1. And my final step is to make sure that the solution that I found, which is 1 and -2, will fit in both equations. So I go back to my original equations and I substitute my x is 1, my y is -2 plus 3, 1 is equal to 1. It is okay in my first equation. In my second equation, I'm going to substitute 1 for x minus 2 times the y, which is -2, and test if that's equal to 5. So I have 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So therefore, my solution of 1 and -2 is correct.